All right, YouTube, we got a Lowe's store brand RB deadbolt that we're going to make a key to. I'm going to pick it with the KW1 Lishi, and then we'll decode it and cut a key with the Blitz machine here. I've already got a key blank chucked up in there. So first things first here, let's get the tool, insert it in the lock. And hopefully you can see, go ahead and just pick it. All right, so 1's binding. Nice click on 1. 2 springy, 3 is springy, 4. Okay, 4 is binding. Nice click on 4. And 5 is binding. Nice click on 5, and the lock is actually open. And notice we didn't pick 2 and 3. That means there's going to end up being 6 cuts, otherwise we would have had to pick them. So we go to decode. Here we got a 5, 6, 6, 2, 2. So 5, 6, 6, 2, 2. It should be easy enough to remember here. And we'll go ahead and cut the key real quick. All right, got that cut to 5622, and just kind of drag the cutter there, take all the ridges off of it, because why not? And put the key in. Key works perfectly. So there is the KW1 Lishi tool, picking and decoding a lock to make a key. Questions or comments, please leave them in the comments or drop me an email. And that's all we got for this one, guys. Until next time, I'll talk to everybody later.